Okay, this is the Anker 21 watt. So it says here, power port solar. Now, I am. Oh yeah, by the way, it does come with its own thing. It says Anker on it. You can barely see that, but it comes with its own USB port. Now it's 21 watts, of course, yeah. And it says Anker right there too. But inside here is a thing where you can put your cords and all that in. Now I'm uploading this video to 2 channels, okay? My main music channel and my survival channel. So, honestly, it's really nice. As you see, daylight, okay, set in direct sunlight to ensure best performance. It's good. It was great in the sun, decent and cloudy, but in rain. Now you see, if you will focus, 21 watt. And yes, I did wipe this off with antibacterial wipe. I had to get it last night because, you know, but yeah, because I didn't really have a way to get up to the post office to get it. But this is also another thing you can use for music or for survival. Like when you're on the, you know, go, you can use something like this, and something like the thing I showed yesterday on my music channel. And yeah, I'm actually going to be testing this out a lot, and then giving you a full review. Anyway, yeah. If y'all want to like it, y'all can like this video. Don't mind me. Anyway, peace.